We're here today with Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event, where they are showcasing their new Galaxy S25 with all of its new AI features. Guys, when I tell you, we might all have to switch to Samsung at the rate things are going. Hey, iPhone, hey. But you didn't hear that from me though. Anyways, let me take you inside, show you guys around and show you guys what's happening inside. Come with me.
Supporting our ambition of taking the Galaxy mobile AI technology advancement mainstream. You remain critically important in helping us to successfully take our product to our consumers. And we are sincerely grateful for your partnership in this regard. Thank you for your time. Please enjoy the rest of our Galaxy Unpacked program. Thank you. Kia leboha, nyabonga. Thank you.
My name is Kgomotso Mosiane and I'm the head of marketing for mobile experience at Samsung Electronics. Today we launched the S series, S25 series, the first AI companion phone. Last year we launched the first AI phone, so we've taken it a notch further. AI is going to become part of your life, more like your friend, more like a companion.
In your pocket. So do you in your own personal life, do you use it? How has it obviously bettered your life? What can you tell us about your personal AI experience?
I don't think there's anyone who can say that they don't use AI, from students that use it to write assignments, all the way to how you take your photos and how you change how you look in your photos. So there's a lot of AI in our phones that sometimes we don't even realize. But what's special about Samsung AI is that it's both on device and on the cloud. So the stuff that you can do on device, like summarize text, like write messages, etc. And then there's stuff that's on the cloud, which is more a Google proposition. So AI is actually for all.
What's the difference? Obviously AI, yes, I understand that, but what else does the phone have to offer, if I'm making sense?
I can't tell you what it does against competitors, but I can tell you what our phone does, which is actually quite amazing.
That works too.
Yeah, so it's seamless application across applications. So basically think about it this way, right? You have to go to work, but you've also got a meeting after work, and you're looking for a restaurant after work to meet with your friend. All you have to do is say, hey, Gemini, find me a restaurant that serves pizza only in the Bedford View area, put it in my diary and send it to, what's your name?
Nikisha.
Yes. It's going to do exactly that.
Oh, that's interesting. So I guess as somebody was explaining to me earlier on, I think his name was Sia, he was basically saying that men don't have to plan dates anymore. I mean, Gemini is doing all the work. What do you have to say about that? Because I have to say I'm kind of mad.
We don't like nonchalant men, so men must still plan dates. Gemini is there for you, but men must still plan dates. Maybe they can say, find a spot, and then find out your interest about what the spot is, and then ask Gemini.
All right, guys, as I said, I'm here to take you on this technical experience with us. Now we're currently going onto the showroom to show you guys all of the new products, all the things they have lined up in store for us. As I'm saying, guys, when I'm done with this video, you might think to switch to Samsung. Hey, I really don't want to lie to you. But anyways, let's go have a look. And as you guys saw, guys, the camera quality, you literally can shoot from outdoors, indoors. It even has something that has a night vision. So you see how like we are here in a room full of blue lights. It captures it all. I kid you not. Guys, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. That's all I can say. Thank you so much. Okay, guys. So I've got a salmon poke bowl here. I don't really know what this is, but hey, again, we're moving in tech, so we'll do these tech people. This is what they eat. So even us, we're also eating the same thing. All right, and so that sums it up. This is the closing of the episode. Thank you so much for joining another episode of STRAATEng, even though I know we did something a little different today. But as I said, yeah, guys, we're moving. You see, we're doing tech. Next week, we'll be doing food. You never know. But yeah, thank you so much, and join us in the next episode of STRAATEng, and we out.
What happens when great intelligence meets unstoppable power? A new universe of possibilities is born, boosted by a customized processor that's the galaxy's most powerful ever. At the sound of your voice, an integrated platform connects your apps to open up your world, bringing you a true AI companion where everything's more personalized.